Custom fields inside FunctionFox allow your team to add more fields to track further information about a project. Extra dates or specific information can be added and attached to projects. Custom fields are available in all three platforms. Classic and Premier both allow for 2 custom fields which will be added onto the project's managed page. With in-house, you have unlimited custom fields as they are used so heavily in request forms. If you need more custom fields in Classic or Premier, reach out and let us know. Custom fields are found inside Settings, the gear in the top right, then in the Account Preferences tab. You will then click Custom Fields and name your first field. FunctionFox, there are 5 different kinds of fields. The first is Date Picker. FunctionFox already has project start and due dates, but there are times where you may want to include other dates to stay aware of relating to the project. The second is Input Box, a smaller text field. This is best used for fields that contain a small amount of information, generally a few words at most. The next 2 are Pick Lists. Much like project type or project status, these are drop-down menus you can customize. The difference is one you can check multiple options, the other is only one selection. To customize the list, select what type of pick list it is, then click Manage. From here, you can add all the options you need. The last custom field is Text Area. Like Input Box, this is a text-only field, but much larger in size. Best used when a lot of information needs to be typed out due to the draggable corner allowing you to see everything you have put in. Once done, double check the project managed page to make sure they fit your liking. Have any further questions about custom fields or other parts of the system? Give us a call or email staycreative@functionfox.com and we will gladly help you and your team stay creative.